Hi guys, this is John Kalam from KHL Motorsport. This is an update to our continuing Project Elantra V6 project. It's redundant, but anyway, bear with me. We've done a lot to the engine bay to shoehorn this engine. We have repaired the lower radiator support. If you could see, it's completely new metal. This is a shot of the old radiator support. It has been mangled with several years of abuse and several years of repairs. So we completely replaced it with new metal. So you can see also that the places where we put the engine supports are completely new, completely revised. We tried to use as much original rubber mounts from both the Elantra and the Tuscany. The cross member has been heavily modified as well, and we've made a notch here on the subframe holding the suspension. This allows us to clear the alternator pulley. You can also see here that we are trying to also install the stock interior. This was a race car. We're wanting this to become a street car again. And this is also in process of installing the new wiring harness for the engine. The wiring harness, we kinda had to adjust the lengths of several of the wires so that it fits more properly to the chassis and the engine bay. If you'd like to know more about our project and our other project cars, please like us on social media. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram. Please check out our website. It's kuholgarage.online. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope to see you again on the next video.